The FBI has very strict entry requirements designed to pick out the most appropriate candidates for the FBI agent job. The first stage of recruitment to all FBI special agents is conducted through the FBI Special Agent Phase 1 exam. Hi, I'm Arbel from JobTestPrep, and in this video we're going to talk about the FBI Special Agent Entrance Exam. The FBI employs approximately 14,000 special agents. These special agents of the FBI are the agency's primary investigators. The FBI special agent hiring process consists of submitting your online application, the Phase 1 test, Phase 2 test and interview, and conditional job offer and physical fitness test. This process is lengthy and challenging, and if you don't succeed on the Phase 1 test, you will not make it to the following stages and will not get hired. The FBI Special Agent Entrance Exam is also known as the Phase 1 test. You have 3 hours to complete 5 multiple-choice exams. The logic-based reasoning section consists of several passages followed by a statement or question. You must decide which of the 5 response choices best suit the statement. These questions measure abilities to notice details, evaluate information, and make valid judgments. This section contains 11 questions. The figural reasoning section assesses the ability to use problem-solving and reasoning to identify the shape or image that logically fits the pattern. There will be 9 questions in this section. The personality assessment measures aspects of your personality to identify those that possess traits necessary to be a successful agent. There will be 100 statements in this section. The preferences and interests section gathers information about your personal attitudes toward a variety of statements. This section contains 37 questions. The situational judgment test, or SJT, contains descriptions of a certain problem situation followed by a list of actions that one might take in that scenario. You are required to choose the best action for this situation. There are 19 questions in this section of the FBI test. The FBI entrance exam preparation includes full-length practice tests that simulate your upcoming exam, exclusive resources on logical deductions, situational judgment, and personality assessment, all geared toward preparing you for your upcoming FBI exam. That's it for today. I hope that now you know a bit more about the FBI Special Agent Phase 1 exam. Good luck on your test!